Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your online status on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, we can go to our Instagram setting, go to your profile, and you can click on the three lines on the top right. And after you have opened the settings and activity, you can go to the messages and story replies menu. Click on this menu and click on show activity status. Okay, and here you'll be able to hide your activity status or hide when you're online from your followers. You can click on the toggle button to disable the online status. Okay, and right after you turn off this feature, when you're online, your online status will be hidden from your followers. Alright guys, and that's how we can disable or hide online status on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.